Good afternoon and welcome everyone. Today we are here to officially launch the new website for our college built by MACS, MEC Association of Computer Science Students. But before we move on to the session, I'd like to take a minute to welcome Dr. Vinu Thomas, Principal, Model Engineering College, and Dr. Jacob Thomas V, our new principal who was transferred in from the College of Engineering, Chengalpattu. Now, let's take a look at what MACS is and what it does in our college. MACS, MEC Association of Computer Students, was created by the students of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. MACS was conceived with a vision to inculcate an aptitude for the subject among students and create awareness about the intricacies of the field. It aims to educate the students on the advancements in the industry and learn concepts that aren't part of the curriculum. MACS facilitates the participation of students in inter-college events and initiates similar events in the college. The association is presently involved in a couple of projects and activities that are associated with the day-to-day functioning of the college. It also helps maintain the web, mail, and DNS servers in the college along with the official website. Speaking of the official website, we are here today to launch the new website, for which I'd like to request our principal, Dr. Vinu Thomas, to address the gathering. Sir.
Okay, thank you, Varun. Dear Dr. Jacob Thomas, dear colleagues, dear students, and dear alumni. So at the outset, let me congratulate the Department Association of Computer Science and Engineering, MACS, for designing the brand new website for our college. I would like to introduce to you all our beloved Dr. Jacob Thomas, who will be taking over as Principal of Model Engineering College, Trikakara, shortly. I express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Jacob Thomas for having graciously agreed to join this meeting. His inputs will be vital in the rejigging of the contents of our website so that it becomes totally error-free and informative. Dr. Jacob Thomas is a respected academician and a very able administrator and is a pioneer in the biomedical engineering department of our college. If our placements are now exemplary, Jacob sir is the one person we all need to thank, as he was our first training and placement officer, and it was his back-breaking initial efforts that have borne fruit over the years. I have forwarded the link to the redone website to all the head of the departments and the faculty, and I request them to very thoroughly inspect the contents, especially those pertaining to their departments. At first glance, I feel that our new website is very aesthetically designed and very ergonomically designed, and given a few suggestions which hopefully have been incorporated. As everyone knows, it is imperative for us, for every college, to ensure that everyone who peruses the website gets a good user experience. The best college websites speak clearly, even to the general public and to prospective students, and should make it easy for everybody to find what they want. Our vision statement, our mission statement, program education objectives, and value statements should feature prominently on our website. The college, of course, will need to formulate a value statement, which is not mandatory for accreditation and which we have not done now, but it will definitely help in creating an impression among users who navigate to our website. The program outcome statement, which is general and common to all departments, can feature on one of the general pages from a tab, for example. It will be imperative that the name of the college and logo feature prominently on all the pages, even on the internal pages, as it is quite likely that the users could land on an internal page via a search and not necessarily always from the home page. Visitors could make value judgments about the college based on the images that we use. A video gallery with thumbnails of the buildings, equipment, and people that look the same will indicate a lack of diversity. Now, people are intelligent enough to tell the difference between genuine photos and stock images. So we have seen some stock images that have been used in several college websites. Now, these stock photos will elicit responses about the college being generic, bland, or showing very little effort. In contrast, Users will appreciate genuine images that look authentic and representative of what it is to be at the college. Figures and statistics in bar charts, pie charts, etc. speak better than words and convey more information. I feel that the web pages will be more aesthetic if we can speak of who we are and what we have achieved through figures and statistics instead of words. Care should be taken to ensure that details of no department or program is left out, and therefore the onus is on the faculty and the students of every department to point out errors or omissions. I will even go to the extent to say that it is important for all departments to have their own subdomains to which a user can easily navigate. Each department should take initiative so that the faculty pages of their departments are updated and they're impressive. For example, maybe one can use Google Sites to create their own faculty pages, and you can link to your own web page from the college website. Over the past few years, we have taken some important steps together towards diversification and building of an academic culture, as also infrastructure development. Over the past 2 to 3 years, the phase 2 of the academic block has been inaugurated by the Higher Education Minister, Dr. R. Bindu, and the phase 3 building will soon be completed under the leadership of our beloved new principal. We have started a new UG program in mechanical engineering, and this will help in transdisciplinary exchange between programs, leading to collaborative projects, interdisciplinary research, etc., which could possibly take our institution higher. A machine shop and laboratory complex for the new branch is on the anvil. Another development was to have a serious start on supporting entrepreneurial activities at the college. We have inaugurated the building that we call as the Central Computing Facility and Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development, with generous funds from the former MLA and Anglo-Indian representative in the Legislative Assembly, Sri John Fernandez. The CCF CIED facility is so designed that it will be suitable for imparting simultaneous training to up to 72 students and will be equipped with computers, a theater-style modular furniture with built-in integrated wire, that's both power and data management, interactive flat panel displays to which the participants can share their screen and the trainer can broadcast to all the systems in the network, a server room to house servers, air conditioners, etc., which are suitable to impart high-end training and meetings. The upper 3 stories are envisaged as a technology business incubator facility, as in College of Engineering, Trivandrum and QSAT. I sincerely believe that it is the direction in which our college has to turn to create job providers and to bring startups to our campus, which can obviously improve our student internships and collaborations with industry. Now, since we are hampered by the affiliating system of the university, and also because some of the colleges in the vicinity have achieved autonomy or are trying for it, it is very important that we innovate to keep ourselves abreast of our competitors. Therefore, the activities of the innovation and entrepreneurship development cell needs to be encouraged and given a prominent place in our website. I hope this will be taken care of. A major step we obviously can undertake is towards search engine optimization. I'm no expert in this area, so people in the know-how, please take steps towards this. I congratulate the faculty, alumni, and the students of the computer science department for coming up with the new and improved website, which they did in spite of their other duties and tasks, and I place on record the gratitude of the college to them. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, I request Emmanuel to share his screen and Principal sir to officially reveal the website.
So before we do that, I would request Dr. Jacob sir to.
Okay. Jacob sir, would you kindly like to address the gathering?
Can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Respected Principal Dr. Vinay Thomas, HODs, faculty members, alumni, and my dear students. As you all are aware about that, Model Engineering College is a flagship of IHRD. So everybody is actually looking into MEC's activities, especially website. As an external member, when we discuss about our website improvement to MEC's website, and they all pointed out here and there some of that what is known as that glitches in that. They are saying that MEC's website is not turning up. It is taking so much of time to log on. I felt also like that. So I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the students or who are behind it, designed a new website, and in this auspicious day to inaugurate that. I would like to congratulate each and everybody who was actually involved in this thing. I heard that it is actually the students who have actually designed that thing. Credit goes to them and all the faculty and other staff members who are actually involved in that. As mentioned by that Vinu sir, I was actually that part and parcel of MEC right from the beginning. I was there in Model Engineering College from 1991 onwards up to 2000. It is in the beginning stage. So we didn't have the luxury to even to have a building our own at that time. We were actually working from Edappalli, what is known as the government high school. Now we have got every facility, and MEC has actually grown up bigger than any other institute of IHR. Credit goes to all faculty, staff, and the students of MEC who have achieved this particular position. So I once again congratulate the staff, faculty, and the students who have actually created this new website. And I wish all the very best for this new venture.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you for your kind words. Now I request Emmanuel to share the screen, and I request Vinny Thomas sir to officially reveal the website.
Yeah, this is the home page, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you click your mission and vision statement? And so I suggest that you take input from everyone concerned, Jacob sir and all other faculty members, towards the improvement of the website if needed. I feel that it's very aesthetically designed, but if there are improvements that are suggested, you please incorporate those also. So, okay, so I formally launched the website, new and improved website of the Model Engineering College.
No, that was a delight to our eyes. A very vibrant professional website indeed, which resembles the aspirations of our students and speaks to the quality of this very fine institution. And who better to speak about it than the maker itself? Let's hear from Srividya, an ex-MECian who's currently working at Google as a software development engineer who was the web head of Max for the previous academic year and also the one who helped build this new website. Srividya, over to you.
Hi everyone, just a sec, I'll start sharing my screen. Hello everyone, it's my immense pleasure to be a part of this initiative to transition our website. It is not the work of one, but that of many, without whom it wouldn't have been possible to deploy the website. I'd like to thank the principal and Max for this opportunity, the UX designers for this wonderful aesthetic design, and the content team for gathering all the content that you see in the site. The admins have taken immense pain to control and coordinate the different teams while contributing to the development and planning. The front end and the back end teams have put in a lot of effort to build the site with great scalability, maintainability, and as bug free as possible. I'd also like to thank Titi sir, Feynman ma'am, and Preeta ma'am for all their inputs and all the faculty for their cooperation. Thank you.
Sorry, those words were insightful indeed. Thank you, Srividya, for taking your time from your busy schedule to share your insights in building the website and interacting with your alma mater. Now, let's hear from our current web head of Max as to where the website and everything web related is headed at Max. Emmanuel, would you like to share your views on the same?
Thank you, Varun. Firstly, I want to take this opportunity to thank Srividya for making such a beautiful website. And I also want to thank all the teachers and all the students and peers who worked very hard for making this website and the launch today possible. I would be leading the website development from now on, and I would ensure that the website keeps improving and adapting to the coming changes in the future. Thank you. Back to you, Varun.
Huge ambitions indeed, and we will try our best to keep up with those. Last, but definitely not the least, I invite Dr. Preeta Teresa, the HOD of Computer Science Department, to deliver the vote of thanks. Preeta ma'am.
Respected Principal Dr. Vinu Thomas, Dr. Jacob Thomas, dear colleagues and my dear students. So we are coming to an end of our launching ceremony of our new website, which is an outcome of effortless work of Team MEC. So in this occasion, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Vinu Thomas, for his presence and for the valuable suggestions and for all the contributions he made to MEC for taking MEC to greater heights. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Dr. Jacob Thomas for being with us and for the suggestions and for the kind words you have given to us. Thank you, sir. And I welcome you, sir, to MEC.
Not well. Welcome back. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Preeta miss.
Next, I would like to appreciate Feynman staff coordinator Max for her efforts in organizing this event. Then a big thanks to Team Max, the developing team, the front-end developers, back-end developers, the design team, for all the team members for your efforts and dedication. Especially my sincere thanks to Augustine. It started with him only, this new website design and all started with Augustine. Then it is handed over to Albin and Srividya. All of these guys have taken great effort and dedication and cooperation to complete this website. Thank you all. So lastly, I would like to thank all the participants for being. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeta. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we have now come to the close of this wonderful session. Thank you, one and all, for participating in this website reveal and hope all of you have a very fine evening. Thank you, folks.
Thank you. Thank you, Vinu sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.